So we have already seen production masters under part 1. Let's go through production flow, which consists of production master where we produce the food item requested from sub branch, menu item transfer, transferring of menu or food item requested from sub branch, transfer of store item, and wastage entry, which will be any item which will be wasted will be giving the all the details here. So to know about these details, let's log in through sub branch. Select company name and branch. I am selecting as T Nagar, which is a sub branch. Branch requisition for menu, which will where they'll be requesting for menu item. Menu item received. This will be used when after transferring from central branch. Branch requisition for store similar to menu. Store item received similar to menu item received, and wastage entry from sub branch. Let's check whether we have requested for menu item. So for evening 2 under 14 December we have requested for gobi manchuri 1 kg. To add new request, just select morning 3 pulao 1 kg. Remarks, if it's required we can enter. Click on save. This was about menu item. Store item. So I have already requested for 2 items here. That is Coke of 500 ml 10 numbers baby corn. And then for evening 2 I need chili powder of 1 kg. So I have already requested. To add new request we can click on this button, select the shift and select the required details. Let's log in through central branch. Select company name and branch. Production master where I produce the requested data. So morning 2 is already done. Morning 3 pulao, that is for 1 kg I have to send. Is produced. Yes, it's already produced. Click on submit. Production details inserted. So once production master is done, it will be transferred to menu item transfer where I transfer the menu by selecting a vehicle number, shift. So pulao is being transferred. I'll click on submit to transfer it to sub branch. As I select submit, menu gate pass will be generated to provide it to driver. To T Nagar I have to send it for 14th and for morning shift. And we'll be taking the printout of this and providing to driver. This was about menu gate pass report. First report. Let's move on to store item transfer. As we have already requested through sub branch, select vehicle for that. Morning 3. Sub branch has requested for baby corn and Coke. Submit. So it's already transferred. Similar to menu item gate pass, there will be store item gate pass for 14th and for morning 3. We'll be providing it to driver again. This was about menu item transfer and store item transfer. Wastage entry. So this was the wastage entry entered on 14th. To enter new record, click on add new row and you can enter the wastage entry. This was from central branch side. Let's log in through sub branch and check whether they have received the transferred items. Aspelec and T Nagar. Let's check menu item received. So here it shows that from sub branch, from central branch, that is St. Thomas Mount, pulao has been already transferred where sub branch is received. Submit it. As I submit, it will be generated under reports. Store item received. I have already received baby corn and Coke. Click on submit. So this was all about production flow. Wastage entry from sub-branch. So sugar is the wastage entry from sub-branch Tinagar. Submit. Let's check out reports one by one through main branch, that is central branch, St. Thomas Mount. Here are the reports. As we have already seen, gate pass reports. Food cost report. Select company name, date. Here it gives food cost report, where we can also export to Excel. Wastage report. From which branch what was wasted. So cabbage 1 kilo was wasted, and we can also export to Excel. Menu branch requisition report. So from central branch, that is St. Thomas, had been transferred 1 kg of pulao to Tinagar, where it displays here. This gives branch wise details to which branch central branch had sent the menu items or store items. And then gives menu branch item requisition report from sub branch Tinagar. This gives about all the details of branch item requisition report. That means Tinagar had requested for pulao. Item transfer report to branch Tinagar. This gives menu item transfer report. Central kitchen. So here it shows store branch requisition for central branches salt. So Tinagar had asked for salt for 1 kilo. Tinagar short form we can give as T. And this was about store branch requisition report. Then branch wise. Similar to menu branch wise requisition report, this is store wise. I need to select from branch Tinagar, where I selected Velichery before. Okay, this is the report according to branch wise. Store item. Store item. Similar to menu branch transfer report, this gives store item transfer report. So this was the store item transferred from central branch. Let's check branch wise stock report. So this gives entire report of all the ingredients and its stock under each branch. So T is the short form for Tinagar. Tinagar is left with only 1 kilo of baby corn, which gives the entire report of stock of each ingredient. This was about production flow and reports. Thank you.